It is a question in GATE 2019 for 2 marks based on the topic of normalization in database management system. Here the question given is some set of functional dependencies are given. Hold on relation x equal to PQRS and clearly given x is not in BCNF. Suppose x is decomposed into two schemas y and z, that is y equal to PR given, z equal to QRS given, and there are two statements given, both y and z are in BCNF, and second statement given, decomposition of x into y and z is dependency preserving and lossless. The question is which of the above statements are correct. We have to identify which statements are correct. Means we have to decide about statement 1 and 2. So how I am analyzing, please try to understand. The given relation is x having attributes p, q, rs, 4 attributes, having the dependencies qr to s, r to s, and s to q. These are the dependencies. From the dependencies, we identify the key of the relation. Now, what is key of the relation? Key we can find by using the closure. So we can find QR closure. QR closure contains QRS, QRS. With R, we are getting P also. Okay, QRSP, all attributes. QR is a key. And similarly, SR also will be a key because when Q replaced with S in the key, SR closure also contains all the attributes. What is SR closure? SR Q. With RQ will get S, with R will get P. All attributes you are going to get it. Okay, QR to S. And clearly it is mentioned X is not in BCNF. First we'll find what is the normal form of X. Observe here QR is super key. If LHS of a dependency is super key, it is in BCNF. R is not super key, it is not BCNF. And P is not prime attribute, means it is not in 3NF. And what is P? Here P we call it is a non-key attribute, means it is not part of any key because our key is QR and SR, not P. And R is part of key, and R is part of key. Because it is a part of key to non-key dependency, we call it is a partial functional dependencies. Because partial functional dependencies, we call relation is in first normal form. Okay, this is a small interest. I'm showing you what is a normal form of the given relation. Now the question is, if X is decomposed into now two relation schemas, Y, P, R, and one more is Z, Q, R, S, two relation schemas. Now we have to decide what dependencies are satisfying on Y and Z and what is a normal form of Y and Z. Now Y and Z will take the dependencies from X because X is divided into Y and Z. Now X is having three dependencies, QR to S. That QR to S you can see in the Z relation. R to P you can see in the Y relation, and S to Q you look in the Z relation. Okay, why? Because attribute pertaining to the dependencies are there in the X, Y and Z respective relations. Now understand what is the normal form of Y and Z clearly. Now what is the key for Y? Now key for Y is R, because R closure is RP and R is now super key. So Y is in Boy's code normal form, we call BCNF. And what is the key for Z? Key for Z is QR, and Q if replaced with S, SR, and QR is super key. This dependency is satisfying BCNF rule. Because S is not super key, this relation is not BCNF, but Q is a prime attribute. Why? Because it is an attribute of a candidate key. Now we conclude that Z is in 3NF. Now what is our first statement? Our first statement says both Y and Z are in BCNF. This is a false statement. It it is clearly a false statement. Now look for the statement 2. Decomposition of X into Y and Z is dependency preserving and lossless. Dependency preserving says whatever the dependencies that are there before the decomposition, QR to S, R to P, S to Q, should be there in the decomposed relations. You can see QR to S in Z, S to Q also in Z, and R to P is in Y. So all dependencies are satisfying on the decomposed relation. Now I can directly say that this decomposition is dependency preserving. Okay. And it is also mentioned in the question lossless decomposition. Now when I can call the decomposition is lossless? Here look, what is Y intersection Z? What is Y PR? What is Z QRS? What is Y intersection Z? Y intersection Z is R. Okay, means R is a common attribute. If there is some common attribute, that common attribute should be key in either Y or in Z or in both. So we have to see that is the common attribute is key or not. That we do by finding the closure of R. Now closure of R is RP. Closure of R is RP. Now RP is a relation Y. Okay, RP is a relation Y. Because RP is a relation Y means R is a key in Y relation. R is key in Y relation. It means Y will act as a parent and Z will act as a child. Z will act as a child. So that we can call decomposition of Y and Z according to the lossless property. So we can call the decomposition is lossless. Right? So that statement 2 is true. Now the options are given is 1 only is false, neither 1 nor 2, it is also false because 2 is true, and both 1 and 2 is false because 1 is false and 2 only is true. So answer for this question is option D, and this question is given for 2 marks in GATE 2019.